Look, a fisherman!
Hi, any fish today?
Hello there. Plenty of fish.
Cool, can we see? Yes, please.
All right, take my hand, little one.
Okay,
Your turn, buddy.
yay! Wow, it's so pretty.
Hold on tight. Wow, look at the birds.
And butterflies, so pretty.
Yes, the river is full of life today.
A kingfisher, look!
Good eye, kids.
Ooh, what's that in the water?
Wow, a turtle.
And look, jumping fish! This is so much fun!
Hey, nature's little surprises. Look here, a fishing rod. Hold it gently.
Wow, can we try? I'll be careful.
Good. Now lower the hook slowly.
It's going in. Whoa, a bite! Pull it! It's coming up. Wow, it's so shiny and cute. Yeah, we did it. Oh, it's so cute. It's just a baby. We should let it go.
That's very kind of you.
Yeah, it's free now. Can we let him go now? Yeah, he's all better.
All right, set him free.
Bye, little friend.
Whoa, look, he's jumping!
All right, little fish, back you go.
Bye-bye, fishy.
Let's get you two back to shore.
The sunset is so pretty.
Anytime, kids.